Need I say more? We have an unboxing from Dooney Bourke. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me in the Babe Cave. Yes, it's time for Dooney and Dooney suede. So are you ready to see what I ordered? And of course they were on sale, because that's how I roll. A quick story. I have yet to try Dooney Bourke's suede. So I got 2 pieces. And I had to open them because they've been sitting in my room for a bit and make sure everything was okay. So it's more of a reveal. So like I said, I have 2 pieces in here. Now, this first one, I wanted to see the color, but also I wanted a piece because it was so cheap. I've never owned a wristlet from Dooney, so I went with the wine colored suede. How pretty is this? I'm all about soft textures, so this is really not a surprise. I can't believe I have just now trying their suede. But this is the color wine, and it is called the Slim Wristlet. And this one I only paid $34.99 for. Because, you know, girl math, I had to add something with this bag to get the free shipping. And you all do it. I know it. Let me know down below. Everyone does that, right? But it's super pretty. It has the gold Dooney Bourke plate. And let me get this off because I'm of course keeping it. Okay, here we go. It has this pretty color brown with this wine color. Let's look on the inside. And with Dooney, you always get the registration card, which I never fill out. Do you all fill out this card ever? I don't. I do leave it with my bags though. So here's the interior. There's the Dooney Bourke, and it has one slip pocket right there. Inside does not have the Dooney Bourke little tag. And I have heard that on other people's videos, but this one does not. It has the little zipper pull, and then this part detaches, and you can, like it's supposed to be, you can hook it up like that and wear it as a wristlet, which I don't know that I'm going to do that. I sometimes just like to grab my keys and my cards and throw them in a little bag like this. So this one is super pretty, and I do like this wine color. It's very pretty. This suede, very nice suede too. Okay, now let's get on to the second one. Dooney is funny. You'll find bags and then they'll disappear. And then you'll find another type of bag and then it disappears. So I looked online and I did not see this one again. But it is the suede, let me show you while I'm telling you, shoulder bag in brown Tomorrow. And I do have the regular light on, no ring light. So this is the color. Look at the suede. Oh, I love it. Gold plate, bumpers on the side, just amazing quality. And guess what? This one has a zipper pocket on the back. Super nice. And you could probably fit a card holder if you wanted to just do that for easy access. And I really liked I wanted one of these with the little tassel zipper. I love tassels, especially if it's on a zipper. I like the long leather. I like the tassels it's just cute. It does have that weird hole, but that one's covered. But then there's this hole, but really nothing of mine has fallen out. You know, I have the navy blue baguette, and I haven't had any trouble. This is my new style. I think my favorite style the past, year I have loved a shoulder drop. And I used to always be crossbody, and I think I've switched. I mean, I'll probably go back to it, but for now I am loving the shoulder drop. The shoulder bags, I should say. Zipper smooth. So this is why I keep the dust bags on suede. It seems to collect anything and everything, lint-wise, dust. So it is so pretty. Great quality, and feet on the bottom. Beautiful. So yeah, I am in my brown era still. It's beautiful. I really like the brown Timaro. Let's look on the inside. Of course, it has the dust bag. We all seen those. Not my favorite, but I'll use it for this bag. Okay. This is what the inside looks like. It has a slip pocket, registration. There's the little sticker that usually comes with new bags that I leave in there. The key keeper, of course, it's not gold. I still don't like that they don't match that, but it's on the inside, so really who cares? And it has another slip pocket on the other side. And this one does have the Dooney Bourke. I don't know if you can see it right there. It does have the tag, so I'm glad it does, really. I don't know why they would stop putting that inside their bags, really. Oh, it's so pretty. Beautiful gold hardware. It sits perfectly on my shoulder. Lots of room. This is a baggy sweatshirt, too. I like that this one has the back pocket. The other one, I'll grab it. This one has no back pocket, but it does have the feet. It doesn't have the same zipper pull. This one has just a normal zipper pull. This one's Florentine. This one is, of course, suede, but very similar size. Let me see. Here's the bottoms. The navy one looks to be a little bit smaller. So the baguette, which is this one, is slightly smaller than the shoulder bag. Super cute. I even could put this chain over here. Let's see what it looks like. Something to note, the hardware on the Florentine leather is the plated hardware, and so it's more matte and not shiny. And this one is actually shiny, and that chain actually looks very similar to the gold on this suede bag. I don't feel like the gray chain goes with this, so if that was a gold one, let me pause. I have another one. So here is my next fashion chain. I don't think this one works because of the length, and this is too far. It should be up here, so this is not going to work, but I did put on my Victoria's Secret charm, which actually looks really pretty with that. So I have one more chain. Let's see if it works. Okay, this might be too much, but I do like that. I would probably take this one off. I got this one from Temu, I believe. How cute is it? I think I'm leaving this chain on. I know it's not a Chanel, I don't care. It's still cute with all the charms. Perfect, okay. So there we go. It is a really nice size. I'll give you the measurements. I'll put them up here so you can see. And the shoulder drop is good. The quality, I have had very little quality issues with Dooney. Very little. And I don't see anything. There might be a couple of spots, if I can zoom in here, like right there. But that's not gonna make me return this bag. And let me tell you how much I paid for it. This bag was $94.25. Under $100, bumpers, feet, suede, real suede. Not fake suede, real suede, brown tomorrow color. Beautiful. What do you guys think? Did I do good with my wine? I probably, honestly, would have got wine if they would have had it, but I needed to see the wine color. Let me show you the pebbled version of wine. So I moved into this bag, and it is like a wine Merlot type color. That's the color of Quint's bag, if you haven't seen that unboxing. And I'm currently using the wine kiss lock. So here is wine in Dooney Bourke pebbled leather. Here's wine in suede. These are very different. This is not as bright as it's showing up. Back here, it's a darker color than what it's coming across, but that is different. Those are different colors. And I'm pretty sure this one was wine. I just checked the registration card that I never fill out, and it is wine, but so is this. Totally different. So now you know, suede is more like a burgundy. I feel like this is burgundy, and this one's more of the Merlot wine color. So yeah, there you go. Suede is different than the pebbled wine. So anyway, that is my double unboxing. So I got both of these for $134. So I think I did pretty well. What do you guys think? Do you like the brown tomorrow suede with my chain and the tassel? I love this tassel. So cute. Okay, so I'm into shoulder bags, but that doesn't mean I won't be getting other silhouettes. So that is all I have for today. I appreciate you all watching my suede unboxing here from Dooney Bourke. And if you liked this kind of content or my bags or both, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's a handbag channel. I review them, I buy them, and I sell them. So if you're interested in any of that, subscribe to my channel. It's free, and hit the bell so you won't miss my videos, and I will continue with the series of 2024 bags that I have kept, but I might just do the first half of the year since it was just 2024 last year. So I may just do the first part of 2024 because y'all have seen my stuff, right? If you haven't, go back and look at my videos. I have plenty for you to watch. But I appreciate you watching and coming over. And is it really, really cold where you are? A suede bag is perfect for winter, by the way. So thank you again, and I will talk to you on the next video. Bye.